record on this. Here we go. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and cover our Friday trade. But real quick, before anything else, the name's Caleb E with Only Trades 365. And let's go ahead and dive into the trade we took first before I cover what I'm looking for on the week for SPY and QQQ. So if you watched the previous video on how to find ranges, which you should, there is a few ways of finding how to enter and where to enter. So we took this trade right here where we were trading near this daily demand zone, weekly demand, whatever you want to call it, support, which everything just lined up right there. How do you know? You zoom out. Here's your daily, right? Right here. And here is your weekly. Let's go ahead and eliminate all that. I apologize. I got a bunch of levels. So we're approaching this key zone right here. This is what everybody, you, me, our grandmas, our ancestors, I'm just playing. But this key level area right here, if we break below this week with the Jackson Hole event coming up Friday, which everybody's bearish because history shows, it's bearish for whatever reason. Powell's going to come on the mic, say what he has to say, and market's going to react. So be ready for that. We do have some Fed speakers on Tuesday. Not really too worried about them. Just play your zones and you'll be fine. But this is what we're going to be watching. If we happen to break, let's see, below 432.62, if that support breaks, it's a long way down. I'm not saying it can come this week, but you never know. That would be the next price target, and then you kind of look at what else we have here. So if you look at the daily, SPY still has a few gaps to fill towards the downside, like 422.92, for example. Go ahead and mark that. I'm going to go ahead and mark this too, because that is weekly. And I don't have that on this chart. But, there's a gap to fill there. Everybody's still bullish, right? There's still another gap there as well. You look on the daily and you can find these gaps. You can find them almost on every other time frame, but mainly I like to go off the daily. So, let's see, did we cover that one? Almost. There's a few more gaps just to kind of show you guys. But that's just in the future, but I'll just go ahead and do this with you guys for those of you watching. For maybe the rest of the year, if we happen to go bearish. Everybody still thinks we're going to go to all-time highs. I don't know what we're doing. I just play whatever is in front of me, and I make money. So on the week, let's break this for, okay, hold on. There we go. Let's go back. And let's talk about what I got on watch for the week and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we're looking for a bounce to 440. The only way that we're going to get that bounce is if we pass through this 437.7, which is 61.8 from this high to low. And you can see how it came close and then just came back down. And now we're under this 436.42 resistance. If we happen to gap up on Monday, I want to see how we react here. Like, let's say we're trading around 437. I want to see a dip and then rip, since everybody's shorting these pops. Or, we come back down to this hourly demand that we created on Friday. How do you do that? You go from this low wick right here on this little small body candle from this green move right here and then go to that top. And you can see demand was demanding, right? So you got a couple spots here to look for calls right here. This support, depending whatever we do here, pre-market, and here for a reject or here for a breakthrough and push up to 440. That's where I'll be looking for more puts again. Let's see. QQQ is next, has something similar. You look at the weekly, the daily, same exact thing played out on Friday. We got our hourly demand right here for QQQ. It had a move, beautiful move up. What will it do next? We will see. So again, let's bust out our handy dandy fibs. And let's set this as a price target right here, 362.66. If we break above this 359.88, then we can look for calls. We can also look here, use these fibs as levels since there's really nothing in between these, or you can even use these pre-market highs from Friday. You can see how they kind of respected it as a supply zone right here, right? So we'll see how we react over this 358.89, but this is the main level you want to keep on watch. If we break above this, we will see this. And then again, short the pop or whatever happens going forward. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link in the bio. Come check us out. We are on there every morning, an hour before market opens. We go over our plans, kind of give you guys what to look for, just like how I just did right now for the week. Come check us out. Again, name's Latino Heat. You guys have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday.